Imagine owning a brand new home in a desirable location with modern, updated features and designs that reflect your personal style, all at a great price. I'd like to introduce you to London Crossing, a new townhome community in Wheeling, just 1 mile to the Metra and 6 miles from Arlington Heights.
We had a mission for London Crossing, to cultivate a new home community that truly provides all the perks of the desirable Northwest Chicago suburbs without the costly price tag. We wanted our new collection of townhomes to be tucked away in a convenient location that has so much to offer, and Wheeling was the perfect destination for our vision. Future homeowners like you can look forward to owning a spacious 3-story townhome with provided exterior lawn care and snow removal, designer interior features, and easy access to the Wheeling Metro station, just 1 mile away.
London Crossing boasts a prime location just off Dundee Road, close to all the great shopping, dining, and entertainment the area has to offer. Just 3.5 miles away, you'll find Restaurant Row on Milwaukee Avenue, where you can spend date nights at Cooper's Hawk, Bob Chin's Crab House, Serenello's, and Spears.
If you have a furry family member, you'll love warm weekend afternoons sampling local flavors on the dog-friendly patio at Citywork Brewing just down the road at Wheeling Town Center. Speaking of pups, both you and your furry friend can enjoy an active lifestyle just 5 miles away at Potawatomi Woods and the Des Plaines River Trail, offering running trails, hiking, fishing, cross-country skiing, and more.
The most important goal in our mission for London Crossing is you, our future homeowners. Our passion and purpose is to build a beautiful place with innovative design, energy efficiency, and quality construction that you'll love to call home. We take pride in our commitment to working closely with you every step of the way and for years after.
Our interest list members will receive invites and information on floor plans, pricing, and dates we do not share with the general public. More importantly, London Crossing will open exclusively to our interest list first before anyone else.
So join the list today. Your future self will thank you.